Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now we'll be discussing about CSS X color values. And right now we'll be using it how to use CSS X color values. So this is what we are trying to do right now. So right here in our previous tutorial we discussed about RGB colors, and right now we'll be discussing about X colors. So let's change this to X and come back to our code and remove this RGB from our background. As you can see, if you don't know how to define a background color, you can check our previous tutorial, and in our future tutorial, so next tutorial, we'll still be discussing about this in detail, so you shouldn't worry much about it because I'm going to kill it for you guys so you can be able to understand it deeply. Now, to use our hexadecimal colors, evidently you have to use hashtag. Immediately after the hashtag, you cannot specify anything. You cannot specify 000000. This is going to turn to black. Everything we are saying, can you see? The background change to black, all black. Now let's change this 00 at the first beginning. Let's change it to FF so you can see what will happen. If you change to red, can you see? And even if you notice very well, immediately when I change it, my color change right here. So that is the benefit of using this PS code. So you can be able to see. Let's mix red with green. We will have yellow. Can you see? We are having yellow. When we save this now, let's say our background change to yellow. And let's say we want to mix all of it together. Definitely we will have white. FF. Definitely we are mixing RGB together. Can you see? We have FF. Now let's say we want to mix only red with only green with blue. Can you see? We have this. Let's say we need only blue. If we need only blue, let's reload our document. Sorry, let's reload our document. Can you see? And if we need only green, you can specify FF 00. Let's reload our document. Can you see? So this is the benefit of using RG, the hexadecimal color. So if you are trying to use X color, don't you forget, make sure that you use this hashtag and make sure that your number is double instead of, if you mistakenly have one like this, it will not work. Let's save our document. Can you see? When you are specifying anything, make sure it's 000000, like two values. Hexadecimal represents two values, like 0011. You can specify, if you want, you can specify 23. You can specify 87 or 85. You understand? And you can specify F3, but make sure that it is two double colors, double things. Can you see? The color will mix together. So do this. If you notice that it's not showing color, definitely maybe your value is not up to double, like maybe it's 5, or maybe it's 3, maybe sorry, maybe it's just 1, or you don't put it in a good way. I will explain how you can use this in another way, whereby instead of having 6 numbers right here, you can just use 3 numbers. But if you notice very well, right here we are just using double, right? 1 2 1 as you can see. So make sure that you use this according to what I'm showing you guys right here, because if you don't use it in this manner, it's never going to work. I promise you that. So this one right here, you have to use it in 2 pairs. 00 is either is 00 or 10 or 20 or 30 up to F. You can use F0 or F1 or F2. Understand? But if you use F and now use the second one, maybe you want to use the second one, you now use FF, you use the third one FF. So far one is F, just single F, is going to destroy the rest. So for you not to destroy what you are writing, definitely all of the values must be in 2 pairs. First 11 02 33 or FF FA F2. So that's how it works. So I want you to practice this because practice makes perfect. Our akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time in our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until